Hey there everybody, welcome to Health Well. Did you know that there are an estimated 55 species of lemongrass? Lemongrass, or citronella, is a herb that is common in Asian cuisine. It has a citrusy taste and a crisp, lemony fragrance. While it is a herb that is mostly used in cooking, it can also be used to brew tea. Lemongrass tea is an age-old remedy for various health conditions. However, this product has gained immense popularity among the masses lately for its numerous health benefits, and we'll be sharing them with you today. Number 1. Anxiety reduction. We've all felt anxious at some point in our life. Many people find themselves dealing with anxiety due to their busy and stressful routines. However, drinking a hot cup of tea can help in reducing the effects of anxiety. Lemongrass is a strong candidate for offering anxiety-reducing properties. Even the scent of lemongrass can benefit those with anxiety. Number 2. Supports oral health. Lemongrass has been found to inhibit the growth of bacteria. It can prevent a bacterial invasion that causes the growth of cavities. Therefore, it's an excellent product to keep your teeth and gums safe from bacterial infections. Number 3. Provides pain relief. Lemongrass tea can be used to block pain receptors due to the presence of an essential compound called citrol. This reduces the sensation of pain in those suffering from chronic inflammatory illnesses like rheumatoid arthritis. Number 4. Antioxidant properties. Free radicals that are in the environment or produced as byproducts in the body can damage the cells and tissues in your body. Lemongrass tea contains several antioxidants, such as chlorogenic acid and isoorientin, which help the body to neutralize free radicals. This helps to keep your body functioning smoothly in the long run. Number 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can lead to a wide variety of serious ailments such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, stroke, and even cancer. Citrol and geraniol are two of the main compounds in lemongrass with anti-inflammatory properties. This decreases the likelihood of suffering from inflammatory complications. Number 6. Boosts digestion. We're sure you must be aware by now that citrol is the star component of lemongrass that also aids digestion. Lemongrass has a cooling effect that soothes your stomach and regulates your digestive functions. Its digestion-boosting properties are a reason why this tea is usually served after meals. It has long been used as a traditional treatment for bloating, constipation, and indigestion in Chinese medicine. This makes lemongrass tea a great natural alternative to treat digestive complications. It helps to keep your normal digestive processes running smoothly and soothes any digestive issues that may arise. Number 7. Reduces the risk of cancer. The citrol in lemongrass tea is considered to have anti-cancer properties against certain types of cancer cells. This is accomplished by either directly inducing cell death or by strengthening your immune system so that your body can better fight cancer on its own. During chemotherapy and radiation, lemongrass tea is occasionally used as an adjuvant treatment. However, you must remember that it should only be used under the supervision of a physician who specializes in cancer treatment. Number 8. Diuretic effect. A diuretic is a substance that increases the body's urinary output. Increasing urinary output can help in removing toxins, excess electrolytes, and reducing additional body fluid levels. Diuretics are used for a variety of conditions like edema, heart failure, and liver failure. Lemongrass acts as a natural diuretic in the body. It can help reduce toxins and fluid levels in the body like synthetic diuretics. Of course, lemongrass is not a replacement for prescribed diuretics, and a doctor's input is important when attempting to use lemongrass to treat conditions like liver failure or heart failure. Number 9. Helps to reduce systolic blood pressure. Systolic blood pressure is the pressure of the heart when it is contracting to pump blood around the body. Normal systolic blood pressure falls between 90 to 120 millimeters Hg. According to research, lemongrass can help in decreasing high systolic pressures. Additionally, lemongrass is also helpful in reducing heart rate. It is important to use lemongrass tea in moderation for those with high systolic blood pressure. This prevents sudden drops in systolic pressure and in heart rate. It also prevents sudden increases in diastolic blood pressure. Number 10. Regulating cholesterol levels. Cholesterol can be divided into good cholesterol and bad cholesterol. Good cholesterol is known as HDL. and it is beneficial for our body since it helps to prevent the accumulation of bad cholesterol, also known as LDL. High levels of LDL cholesterol can cause buildup in the blood vessels, which can cause atherosclerosis and heart disease. This increases your chances of a heart attack or stroke. According to some studies, using lemongrass can help to reduce cholesterol levels in the body. The reduction is dependent on the amount of lemongrass used. The higher the dose, the more the reduction in cholesterol levels. If you are finding this video useful and interesting, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It motivates us to produce high-quality content for you every week. Number 11. Improvement of the levels of red blood cells. Ever wondered why blood looked red? You guessed it right. Our blood gets its red color from the red blood cells. These cells are responsible for carrying oxygen around our body and supplying it to all of our cells and tissues. Red blood cells are synthesized in the bone marrow, and this synthesis is controlled by the hormone erythropoietin, which the kidneys produce. Some studies have shown that by drinking lemongrass tea over a period of 30 days, you can increase the packed cell volume, hemoglobin concentration, and red blood cell count in the body. This can be helpful for people who are dealing with conditions like anemia, which is caused by low levels of red blood cells in the blood. Number 12. Bloating reduction. Bloating usually occurs due to the retention of fluid in the body. It is a common symptom of premenstrual syndrome, also known as PMS. Lemongrass tea can be used to increase the body's output of urine. This can help in reducing bloating by removing the excess fluid from the body via urine output. Number 13. Relieves symptoms of premenstrual syndrome. PMS is a condition that affects a woman's physical health, emotions, and behavior during specific days of their menstrual cycle, usually immediately before their period. Premenstrual cycle is a very commonly occurring condition. More than 90% of menstrual women are affected by its symptoms. PMS symptoms usually appear 5 to 11 days before menstruation and disappear once menstruation begins. Abdominal cramping, abdominal bloating, constipation, and headaches are just some of the many symptoms of PMS. Lemongrass tea serves as a natural treatment to help cater to the symptoms of PMS. The anti-inflammatory and soothing properties of lemongrass tea help ease the symptoms of PMS. Number 14. Promotes weight loss. Lemongrass tea is a detox drink that can help you lose weight by boosting your metabolism. Lemongrass is a natural diuretic, so you will probably lose weight if you drink enough of it. Herbal teas like lemongrass can help you lose weight by replacing soft drinks and other sugar-sweetened beverages in your diet. It is best to alternate lemongrass tea with water or other sugar-free drinks to prevent any side effects that may occur from drinking too much lemongrass tea. Number 15. Treatments for colds and flus. Lemongrass tea is enriched with excellent antibacterial and antifungal qualities that aid in the treatment of colds, coughs, and flus. It is also high in vitamin C, which boosts our overall immunity. There are several effective recipes for lemongrass teas that can help with your cold and flu. All you need is some fresh lemongrass, cloves, a pinch of turmeric, and tea leaves, and you must bring them to boil. The mucus and phlegm buildup produced by congestion can be broken down with this easy tea mixture. Another Ayurvedic cold remedy includes a hot mixture of lemongrass, tulsi leaves, and cardamom. Number 16. Reduces headaches and migraines. We have all at some point experienced a splitting headache or migraine that we wish would just go away. A natural way to treat the pain that comes with a headache or migraine is lemongrass tea. A chemical found in lemongrass called eugenol is thought to have aspirin-like properties. Eugenol is supposed to prevent platelets from sticking together in the bloodstream, which can lead to headaches. It also boosts the release of serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that controls mood, sleep, appetite, and cognitive processes. Number 17. Regulation of blood sugars and lipids. According to some studies, lemongrass tea can be effective in reducing blood sugar and lipids. Lemongrass can also help regulate glucose levels in people who are dealing with type 2 diabetes. Along with reducing the levels of lipids in the blood, lemongrass is also able to increase good cholesterol, HDL, levels. Number 18. Boosts hair and skin health. Who doesn't dream of glowing skin and luscious hair? Lemongrass is high in vitamin A and vitamin C, both of which are necessary for healthy skin and hair. It clears your face by helping with outbreaks like acne, pimples, and eczema through an increase in your blood circulation. Lemongrass can improve circulation by increasing the number of red blood cells being synthesized in the body. Number 19. Treatment for gastric ulcers. Lemongrass has been used for years as an herbal remedy for a variety of issues. One of these ailments is gastric ulcers. Lemongrass can help prevent gastric ulcers due to its antimicrobial properties. Additionally, it can soothe the pain of gastric ulcers due to its soothing properties and pain-blocking abilities. Have you ever thought of trying lemongrass tea? Do you think any of these benefits are worth adding lemongrass tea to your diet? Let us know in the comments below. Here are 2 more videos you might find interesting. Feel free to choose the one you like. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos on health, subscribe to the channel.